Assalamu alaikum everyone. Dear students, in this third part of Towards Green Energy, today we will be studying hydroelectric power plant. Design or construction of hydroelectric power plant, its working, some advantages and disadvantages of it. To produce electric energy, we require one dam with one reservoir of water. Stored water has potential energy which is converted into kinetic energy by fast flowing water, which in turn will rotate the turbine to generate electricity. Let's see the working of hydroelectric power plant. In this diagram of hydroelectric power plant, you can see a reservoir on which a dam is constructed to obstruct the flow of water in order to make big storage of water. Points A, B and C are three different levels of reservoir. Potential energy is maximum at point B. Dam has sluice gate at point B. Sluice gate is a control gate which control the exit of the water. This underground pipeline is a penstock through which water flows after opening the sluice gate. A turbine is fixed at the bottom of dam which is connected to the generator in this powerhouse. Stored water of reservoir has potential energy. After opening sluice gate, water start flowing through this penstock, means potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. Water strike the blades of turbine and thus turbine start rotating, in which more kinetic energy is formed. After rotation of turbine, water go downstream. Kinetic energy of turbine then rotate the generator, by which kinetic energy is transformed into electric energy. Let's see the flow chart of energy transformation in hydroelectric power plant. First, water in reservoir has potential energy which is transformed into kinetic energy when it starts flowing through the penstock after opening the sluice gate. Rotation of turbine again generate kinetic energy. Rotating turbine can rotate the generator, in which finally kinetic energy is transformed into electric energy. Let's discuss some advantages of this power plant. Number 1. Since no fuel is burned in hydroelectric power generation, there is no pollution resulting from combustion of fuel. Second, if there is sufficient water storage in the dam, then it is possible to generate electricity as and when necessary. Number 3, water reservoir can be replenished during rainy season, leading to uninterrupted power generation. Along with these advantages, it has some disadvantages too. So let's study Some disadvantages of this power plant. Number 1. The backwater, due to storage of water in the dam, may submerge villages or towns in that area. This leads to the problem of rehabilitation of the displaced population. Moreover, this can also submerge forest as well as fertile land. The obstruction of the flow of river water may have adverse effects on living world in the river, that is on aquatic animals.